directions and sub-directions. What do you mean by direction? Yes, a direction is the way in which a person or thing can move. It also helps us to know the location and the position where we are. डायरेक्शन मीन्स दिशाएं. दिशाएं हमें किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के बारे में यह बताती हैं कि वह कहाँ है और किस दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है. Now let's learn more about with some pictures.
Lesson 9 Directions. Simple directions. Right and left, up and down, under and over, top and bottom. These are some simple directions which we used in a simple way. Now look at the picture. In this picture, the boy is standing facing the rising sun in the morning, his face towards the east and his back towards the west, his right hand towards the south and his left hand towards the north. Now let's learn more about the main directions and sub directions. The four main directions are north, south, east and west. The four sub directions are the direction halfway between north and east is northeast direction. The direction halfway between north and west is northwest direction. The direction halfway between south and east is southeast direction, and the direction halfway between south and west is southwest direction. These are four main directions and four sub directions. Now look at this picture. Students, have you seen the map? Yes, this is the map of India. In this map, the topmost point shows north, the bottom point shows south and the right hand point shows east and the left hand point shows west direction. Before I wind up, let's revise this lesson. Directions. The boy stands facing the rising sun in the morning, his face towards the east and his back towards the west, his right hand towards the south and his left hand towards the north. Main directions: north, south, east and west. There are four main directions. This is the map of India. In this map, the topmost point shows north and the bottom point shows south. Right hand point shows east and left hand point shows west. Sub directions: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Directions facing each other are called opposite directions: north, south, east and west. The halfway between north and east is northeast. The halfway between south and west is southwest. The halfway between north and west is northwest, and the halfway between south and east is southeast.
I hope you understood the lesson very well. Read the lesson twice. We will meet in the next class.